Custom GPTs can be integrated with almost 5,000 different applications. We can send the email in our GPT, create the post on Facebook and other more. So in this video I will show you exactly step by step how to set up your custom GPT with the AI Actions. Therefore firstly we'll set it up, then I will show you the best use cases of this amazing feature. Moreover, at the end of this video, I have prepared for you 2 special gifts. So for example, first one will be about 12 ready-to-use GPT templates that you need to only copy and paste and then receive fully trained specialist at your service, alright? And you will be able to download it, therefore stay to the end, and now let's get into the action. So basically, if we go over to the quick overview about the AI Actions, there we can see that we can do almost 20,000 searches and actions with our GPT connected with the AI Actions, alright? And there we have the applications such as the Gmail, MailChimp, Google Disk, alright, Discord, Notion, and everything, Twitter, Facebook, alright? And as I told, with it we can do a lot of great stuff. For example, connect with 5,000 third-party apps, send a Slack message, find a Google Calendar event, draft a Gmail reply, or just create a HubSpot lead, alright? So a lot of different actions that will save a lot of our time and just automate our workflow. So it is really worth to know. So I will put the link to this website in the description, and now we need to go over there, scroll down and choose our platform. Therefore we'll use it with our custom GPT, and for this case we need to click there, get started here. In the step 1 we need to go over to our custom GPT, go over and click edit GPT, alright. There go over to the configure, and now scroll down a little bit and we'll see this button, so actions. Then we need to click create a new action. Now go over to the Zapier page with our GPT, alright, and scroll down a little bit. There we'll see this link, so we need to go over there and copy the entire link. Go over to our GPT and just click this one button, import from URL, alright. And then if we do this, we need to just paste this one information that we copied, alright, and now click import. And then you will see a lot of data right there, alright. So now we can go over there to the right top corner and click update and click only me. If you would like to just go over and click the option only people with a link or the public, you just need to provide the privacy policy, alright? So it can be the privacy from your own website, for example. But now let's go over and click only me and click confirm. Then we need to simply go back from our AI Actions to the configure tab, and now just go over to the Zapier website, go scroll down, and we just need to go over there and copy the entire rules, alright? So copy there, go to the instructions, and at the bottom just paste the entire rules that we have, alright? So now you can see we have everything. I can just expand it. So we need to have these rules inside. And now let's again click update and click confirm. Quick reminder, if you would like to receive a lot of more great content about the AI technology and also the free materials that I'm providing you almost every lecture, please hit the subscribe button and give the like for the YouTube algorithm. And now we have almost everything. So for this case you can go over and type into your custom GPT something, for example, let's send the email by Gmail. Alright, and then you will receive the instructions what to do exactly next. So firstly we need to sign in with Actions Zapier. So actually you need to have the Zapier account, so you need to set it up, alright? Therefore let's go over and click there. If you have your account, this notification will appear, alright? So then we need to go over and allow everything. Then it will redirect us to our chat, and now we can click this button, so refresh, alright, the response. And now let's see what we have. So you can notice that from now this is the step-by-step guidance. To send an email using Gmail through a Zapier AI Actions, we need to have the specific action for Gmail available. To enable this functionality, you will need to configure the necessary Zapier AI action for Gmail. Please use the following link to set it up. So we can go over, click there. And now, for example, you can see that we can go over to the bottom of the page and click add a new action. And there we can just choose a lot of different things. So for example, like there, so Slack send direct message, Gmail create draft, Google Sheets, alright. But for that case, I would like to go over with the Gmail. and there will be the suggestions, so I can send the email, reply to email, find the email, create draft, but for that case I would like to send the email. Then we need to go over and just set up the email that we would like to send the message from, right there. And here we just can edit this entire part, but I would suggest to leave it and just click enable action. Again, we can go over back to our custom GPT and now, for example, type something like, I've done it. Let's try to send the email. And just look on it, that's perfect, we have everything, alright? So great, the Gmail send email action is now available. To proceed with sending an email, I will need the following details from you. So the recipient's email address, email subject, and email body, alright? So now we can fulfill this entire information. So for example, I would like to go over and send the email to my other email, and you can just fulfill the informations in the subpoints form, for example, right? So there what I have the email subject. So for instance, important message, and then the body. How do you feel today? Best regards. And every time before accomplish the action, we need to allow this one right there. The email has been successfully sent to the email with the subject important message and the body text, how do you feel today, best regards. Therefore, let's go over now and check it if that works. And that's really incredible, because from now we don't need to go over directly to the Gmail to send the email. And I see in the future that it will be very useful, alright? Because remember that you can use it with almost 5,000 different apps, alright? So for instance, Google Sheets, the Google Docs, the Facebook, the Instagram, the MailChimp, everything. And for sure you will find something that will fit your requirements. And let's now check what we have. So the subject, alright, so we have the important message, the description, so how do you feel today, best regards, and the sender, alright, so my email that I connected to my AI Actions. And everything is done really great. And now if we have set up our AI Actions, we can go over more deeply. So for example, let's find the most recent email from Christian. And there we have the error because we don't have the AI Actions like enabled for this one case. So for this one, I can type something like, give me the link to AI Actions. And if we go over right there to this link, we can see that we can enable a lot of different actions. So for example, go over again and type the Gmail. Alright, and there for instance we have this, alright, so find the email. There I can pick this one, we have our Gmail connected, enable action, and for instance you can do, for example, add the multiple actions at once. So let's say that you are using the Gmail and you can enable everything to not go back again later, alright. So for instance I can now go over to the reply to email and set it up easily. And now again, if we go over to our chat, it should work now. So for example, we can copy this one sentence, paste there, and see if that will work perfectly. So we have it. I found the most recent email from Christian in your Gmail. Here is the summary, alright, so the time, date, and exact information, alright? And that's something really great. For example, I enabled reply to Gmail action. So for this case, I would like to just reply to this email. So let's say, let's reply to this email. And by this way, you can do a lot of great stuff. So for example, Google Docs, find a document, alright, Google Slides, find the presentation, YouTube get report, Google Tasks, find task, everything, alright? So a lot of different applications that we can integrate with our custom GPT. You can go over to the AI Actions and see if there is something that will fit your requirements. And I'm sure that it will automate your workflow and save a lot of your time, alright? So this is the great topic to consider and just know. So that we have it. In this video, we covered how to enable the AI Actions inside of our custom GPT. And as I told at the beginning, I have for you the two gifts. The first one is my GPT Masterclass, when I'm teaching exactly how to set up your custom GPT. You have there a lot of great materials, alright? And a lot of useful knowledge. So if you would like, you can go over there. I will put the link in the description. And my second gift is this beautiful PDF with 12 ready-to-use templates of your custom GPTs that you need to only just copy and paste, and then you will receive your fully trained specialist at your service. So if you would like, also I just put the link in the description. That's all for now. I will see you in the next videos.